The Sebastian Bird Doctor, my personal favourite Doctor. I mean, he's such a brilliant Doctor. He's almost as good as him. Actually, even better. But how can you all possibly like him like I do, you're wondering? Well, here are 5 steps on how to like him like I do. Right, the first step, obviously you have to watch all of his fan films. Like this one, Lost in Subspace, released, I don't know, 2009? Now, the first thing is, if you go watch all of it, now, sometimes, or actually most times, he would remake his episodes. Well, series, but you know what I mean. So, it can either be one of them, but I think this is actually the best one. And too damn sad we never got to see anything else like this one. It's also very important, might I add. Oh, by the way, new camera angle. But anyway, you have to quote everything he says in this episode, like Lost in Subspace. So, what do you think?
Hey,
there's
stuff in that wardrobe.
There's stuff in that wardrobe, you know? It's not that easy.
What's wrong?
Hold tight, Eric. You're about to go on the most dangerous trip you will ever experience. Fuck! I fucked it up! Shit! No! Fuck! Now, if you're a fan of him, you've got to watch the other videos he's in. Now, one of the most notable ones is this person. I can't say his name, but let's say Mr. Coleman. I can't show you his videos because we're not going to go there. But I think there's a video you should watch. It's by this other guy. Unfortunately, it doesn't have him. But don't you worry, guys. I found a way to cover him. So I will cover him. Don't you worry. Now, where the fuck is it? Wow! That's so dramatic! Wow! I'm so in shock! Oh shit, I'm sorry!
Oh no. Not again.
Fanfiction. I know everyone's gonna be like, oh, fanfiction. But come on, people. Come on, you lovely viewers. We all done it before. I know you done it. Don't you dare try to hide it. We've all done it. Except for the Queen, but she's not important. Now, unfortunately, I could show you some of this, but I can't really because I don't want to be made fun of. Yeah, I'm looking at you, mate. I'm looking at you, mate. Okay, so I couldn't find that Sebastian Bird Doctor custom figure I made ages ago, but I have a 10th Doctor. Okay, yeah, he doesn't look like him, but let's just pretend, alright? I'll do the scene. Oh, wow, I made it through space. I need to take my helmet off. I wonder where I am. Oh my god, who are you? Hi, I'm this kid with cool hair. I'm on this planet alone. My parents are dead and... Doctor, what is that? Oh my god, it's the Master and the Cyberman. Oh yes, my dear Doctor. Okay, it's not really the Master, but it's the alien one. But I couldn't find the other one. And this Cyberman's the Cyber Leader, I know. But I couldn't find the bloody figure, so just pretend they encountered them before. I'm going to the future now, Doctor Who, with this Cyberman. Delete, all Cybermen, enemies. Oh my god, what do we do? I'm actually a werewolf, Doctor. I can save us. Really? Okay, hold on. I'm a werewolf now. I'm gonna kill you all again. Kill these people. What is that? It is a werewolf. Oh shit, we're dead. I'm gonna kill you now. Yeah, fucking dead.
Oh, fuck you!
What the hell, Uncle? How many times have I told you to knock the door?
20 times!
Wait, aren't you dead?
Are you playing those bloody action
No,
figures? You're going to knock on it. You're going to fucking
And that, people, is how you love the Sebastian Bird Doctor. Now, I am missing one out, but there were problems. So, I'll see you.
Who said you can come out of the night corner?
Grandpa, what the hell? I'm recording.
You're going to stay there
No,
for 2
Grandpa,
days!
no.
Right, that's it. You're going to night corner. You're going to fucking night corner. Oh, fuck.